Hello dear students, today the topic of the class is computation of 4-point DFT of a causal sequence by formula method. Okay, let us start the problem. The given problem is compute the 4-point DFT of a causal 3 sample sequence given by the equation x of n is equal to 1 by 3 ranging between 0 and 2 and 0 less than equal to n less than equal to 2 and its value is 0 elsewhere. So, we can write this x of n discrete time sequence in this way where n value is varying from 0 to 2, its value is 1 by 3, x of 0, x of 1, x of 2. So, its value is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Okay. Now, we are supposed to find 4-point DFT. So, what we will do? We will add 1 0 here to make the sample sequence length as 4. Okay. So, based on this x of n, we have written x of n is equal to 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and let us start the problem solution. By the definition of n-point DFT, x of k is written as summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n e to the power minus j 2 pi k n by capital N. Here we are going to compute the 4-point DFT. So, capital N value is 4 and k is varying from 0 to n minus 1. N value is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. So, k value is varying from 0 to 3. So, k values are 0, 1, 2 and 3. Capital N is 4 because we are computing 4-point DFT and k values are varying from, k values are 0, 1, 2 and 3. So, for finding 4-point DFT, we have rewritten the sequence, given sequence x of n as, we are given 3 samples 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and the 4th sample is not given. So, we have taken it as 0. So, the formula is clear and the given sequence is clear, n and k values are clear. So, what we are doing in DFT? X of n is a discrete time sequence and by applying DFT by formula method, it is going to convert into capital X of k. For a 4-point DFT, x of k has to be evaluated for k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. That is, we have to evaluate x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. So, we have to find these 4 values based on this formula. K value is 0, k value 1, k value 2, k value is 3. So, now first let us compute x of 0, capital X of 0, k value is 0. So, substitute in this given equation k as 0, what will it be it? K is x of 0 is equal to n is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1. Capital N value is how much? 4. So, n will vary from 0 to 3, n minus 1. X of n e to the power minus j 2 pi k, k value is 0, n by capital N by 4. So, we have written it as summation n is equal to 0 to 3 x of n e to the power 0. What is e to the power 0? 1. So, we have written it as n is equal to 0 to 3 x of n. Expanding the summation will get as capital X of 0 is equal to x of 0 plus x of 1 plus x of 2 plus x of 3. What is x of 0 value? 1 by 3, x of 1 is 1 by 3, x of 2 is 1 by 3, x of 3 is 0. So, we have written it as 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 0 is equal to 1. So, what is capital X of 0 value coming it to be as 1. Now, coming to capital X of 1, substitute k value as 1. Substitute k value as 1 in the formula. Capital k value is 1. So, capital X of 1 is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1. So, it will be n is equal to 0 to 3 x of n e to the power minus j 2 pi k, k value is how much here? 1, n by capital N is 4. So, summation n is equal to 0 to 3 x of n, on cancelling this you will be getting as e to the power minus j pi by 2 n. Okay, on expanding this summation, we will get the equation as x of 0, substitute now n is equal to 0. So, x of 0 e to the power 0 plus, now substitute n is 1, x of 1 e to the power minus j pi by 2. Now put n is equal to 2, it will come to be as x of 2 e to the power minus j pi by 2 to the power 2. Now substitute n is equal to 3 in this, x of 3 e to the power minus j pi by 2 multiplied by 3. X of 0 value is how much? 1 by 3, x of 1 value is 1 by 3, x of 2 value is 1 by 3, x of 3 value is 0. So, what is e to the power 0 value? 1. So, the first term is coming to be as 1 by 3, x of 1 is equal to 1 by 3, e to the power minus j pi by 2. What it is? Cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2 plus 1 by 3. This 2 get cancelled, so it is left with e to the power minus j pi, which is written as cos pi minus j sin pi, plus x of 3 value is 0. So, we have written as 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, cos pi by 2 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1. So, it will come as minus j plus 1 by 3, cos pi is minus 1, sin pi is 0. So, we will get it as, and x of 3 is 0. So, 1 by 3 minus j by 3 minus 1 by 3. So, this 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 get cancelled and you will get it as minus j by 3. So, what is capital X of 1 coming to be as minus j by 3. So, now by putting k is equal to 2, we can compute capital X of 2. So, k is equal to 2, put x of 2, summation n is equal to 0 to 3, n is equal to 0 to 3, x of n e to the power minus j 2 pi, k value is now 2, e to the power minus j 2 pi k, 2 n by capital N by 4. So, it is written as n is equal to 0 to 3, x of n, this 2 and 4 get cancelled and we are left with e to the power minus j pi n. On expanding the summation, you will get n is, substitute n is equal to 0, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3 and expand the sequence. X of 0 e to the power 0 plus x of 1 e to the power minus j pi plus x of 2 e to the minus j 2 pi plus x of 3 e to the power minus j 3 pi. E to the power 0 value is 1. So, x of 0 value is 1 by 3 by the given sequence. X of 1 is 1 by 3, e to the power minus j pi is written as cos pi minus j sin pi plus x of 2 is 1 by 3, e to the power minus j 2 pi is written as cos 2 pi minus j sin 2 pi and x of 3 is 0. So, on simplifying this equation, we will be getting x of 2 as 1 by 3. Now, you have to compute for k is equal to 3. For k is equal to 3, we have to compute capital X of 3, summation n is equal to 0 to 3, x of n e to the power minus j 2 pi, k value is 3, k n by capital N minus j 2 pi 3 n by 4. So, it will be coming to be as n is summation n is equal to 0 to 3, x of n e to the power minus j 3 pi by 2 n. Again expanding the summation and solving it, you will be getting x of 3 value as j by 3. You will be getting it as j by 3. On consolidating the equation, you will be getting capital X of k is equal to 1 minus j by 3, 1 by 3 and x of n. What is the given sequence to us? The given sequence x of n is equal to 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 0. We got x of k as, on applying DFT by direct formula method, we got the result as 1 minus j by 3, 1 by 3 and j by 3. I hope you have understood the class. For your queries, you can post in the comments. Thank you for watching. Good luck students.